Good afternoon. This training tape is on responses. To get to the responses, you're going to click on your clients, and you can look in either place down at the bottom here where it says responses, or you're at a glance. And this place, it will tell you how many responses you have. When you open your responses, it will give you a list of all the responses that you have from the forms that you have sent out. So you will get updates, you will get a referral agreement if you're using the auto assign, and you also will get FYIs. The FYIs are if you are synced with another ReloSpec user, when they make a change to the record that you're synced with, you will get an FYI in your responses saying that the change has been made. So in this case, they've changed the status from active to pending. So now they're telling you that it is now pending. What you want to do is when you see that, you have to change your record to pending. So you click on the pencil, come into the referral status, change it to pending, and then update your record. Once you do that, it will automatically change it in the actual referral record in your client list. Okay, the other responses you're going to get are your updates. That's in Spanish. We don't want that one. Let's take a look at this one. This is a sample of an update. They're telling you that it's not active anymore. And let's say they're telling you that the customer decided not to move. When you see an update and something has to be done to the record, that because it's not active anymore, you have to change the record to dead. If it was active and they're just giving you an update saying that they showed homes yesterday, then nothing has to be done, so all you have to do is process it. But when something has to be done, you click on the pencil, and you can make your change right in the response screen. So they're changing it to dead. They're putting in a dead date, and you can put in the dead reason. Once you process this response, it will automatically update the record with this information. So you would update your current record, and because you've changed it to dead, you get this pop-up asking you if you want to stop the emails from going out for that record. You can press either yes, continue, and then you would go and process the record. My suggestion would be to process it one by one, even though at the bottom of the screen you can process them all, or you can process the checked ones. What you could do is go through and find all the ones that nothing has to be done with them, check them. You can see there's a check mark next to them, right here next to process. And then process all the checked ones first, and then go through and make your changes in the response for those that need to have changes made. Process that record, and you can always return to the grid. Okay, in your response table, anytime you have a response that you need to make a change, it doesn't have to be just that it went to dead or anything. Let's say they misspelled a word and you don't want it to go into the notes as a misspelled word, or that it's gone to pending and they're giving you the pending information. You can click the pencil, because not only can you change the referral status, but you can change the comments. You can retype or add comments. If it goes to pending and they give you the estimated information, you can put it in here. Once you process the record, this information will go right into your closing sheet, and you can update your record. Once you process the record, your closing sheet gets updated and your notes get updated. The system will create a note with that response for that record. So if you want to see all of your responses for a particular record, you would look into the notes file. Okay, also in responses, let's say you're covering for another user. Once you open your responses, you can press search, and you can change the manager consultant so that you can see another user's responses. If you put in the blank, it will pull up all users in your system. Or you can put in a user and pull up just their responses. And in this case, we didn't have any. But if we did, you would see the responses. So think of your responses as your inbox. You do want to check it daily, just like you would check your email. You open the response screen and you make any changes you need to make and process them so that it will create a notes in the note file. So you can see all the notes down here with each response that you get. Hope this has been helpful. Have a great day.